Okay, hey, microwave some corn. I got 2 corns, but one fell on the ground. But they have these, I don't know what they're called, stalks, maybe? Something like that, right? So we're gonna microwave one with it on, and then one with it off. Maybe, if I could figure out how to open it. Okay. Right? Hold on, I'm gonna throw this away. So, we're gonna microwave this piece of corn. But, yeah. Okay, we're gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, we'll shut the microwave. And we're gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's see what happened. Aw, nothing happened. It's kinda hot. Okay, it's kinda hot. It's like it just cooked it. What? It's like not even... That's weird. I thought something would happen. Okay, let's get this corn that fell down here on the ground. Okay. Let's try this one. See what happens. I don't know if it's gonna fit. I mean, it kind of fits. Okay, let's cook it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, see what happens. This is what happened to the first corn. It's kind of hot. I mean, it's warm.
It's eatable.
Yeah, right? It doesn't it look? Okay. Oh, this one's gonna be super hot probably because it's inside this thing.
You want me to record? So
Here, yeah, you do that. You hold that.
Is it hot?
I mean, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm not like touching the hotness. Yeah, it's super hot. Do you see all that steam?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Be careful.
I am. It's like...
It's like easier to peel.
It is. It's like, I don't know, it's better. It cooked it better maybe. I don't know. We need to see what happens. Why do you get so close?
People need to see.
I don't know. Nothing exciting happened. I think, I don't know. We gotta compare it to what...
This corn.
When we, well, not that corn. When we cook a corn normally, like, and eat it. Like one of those corns. We gotta see what the difference is.
You
I don't
think
know.
it was gonna turn into popcorn?
Yeah!
No, you need the kernels. This is just the corn.
But that's like the kernel when you take it out. Anyway, I don't know. So nothing happens. We're gonna microwave something else. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.